Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, one thing, we don't have electricity outages in Dubai, but what we do have here is an amazing camping and outdoor season starting October onwards, September, October onwards. And one of the things we really need to carry with us is a trusted and a very powerful power source which can help us last the whole camping night without compromising on whatever electronic gadgets that we want to use, whether it's charging our phones, whether it's using a projector, whether it's putting a sound system, and everything else around, to be honest with you, or even an electronic grill if you want to. So guys, we have the EcoFlow Delta, the portable power station. Now it comes in a mini variant, the mid-range variant, which is here, and then there is a pro variant. Now they're all packed with amazing features. The very standard difference between the three is the amount of power it packs, but we have the one which is the Delta portable power station with us from EcoFlow. So while I take this out, it's quite heavy, so you'll have to excuse me for a little bit of lifting and fifting, but please press the subscribe button and the notification icon while I cut this open to get this out of the box. And also don't forget, we are on our new website, www.greatlobbyist.com is now live with some amazing features. So you might want to go and check it out. And if you are a PR agency or a brand PR manager, you want to check out and create your own profile, because that is going to help you create, upload your own content, even press releases content, and even create your ad campaigns there. So do that. Now, I have it opened. There is a box inside, which I'm going to see if I can lift up. I'm going to ask for a little help to pull this brown box down. Oh, this is actually very heavy. It weighs about 14 kgs. So you can imagine the kind of power it packs in there. So we've got another black box inside the brown box. So we're going to need our favorite blue cutter again to cut this open from here and to cut this open from here. On top, we have the warranty. Very beautiful packaging. It shows how premium this product is going to be inside. So I've not seen one so far in person. So this is the first time, but we've got this premium quick start guide, which tells you everything about it and your warranty card in there. So putting the paperwork aside, another thermocol protection on the side, silicone to keep it less moisture, and then we have the unit itself in another protection case with some more cables, I believe, 2 more boxes. So we're going to put them on the side, put this black box on the side, and focus on the beautiful product that we are going to take out. Now it's easy to carry for me. And we have our EcoFlow power generator. Comes in a protection case so it doesn't get messy. And beautiful looking. Look at that. So let me show you all the sides. On this side, we have all the USB ports, which are going to tell you everything about in a second. And power points here and the charging port here as well. Lovely. Fantastic. And an on-off switch. So let's see if this has some juice in it by pressing this. Nope, it doesn't have any juice, but we're going to juice it up and include it in the footage that you will see when we start working on this. Now, beautiful gold standard portable power station. You can take it anywhere. It can power up all the appliances. It's powered, battery powered, and really packs a punch with the size and the look and feel of it. The aesthetics are fantastic. And it is also defined actually as world's fastest charging power station. So you can, charges about 2 to 3 times faster than any other competitor, as they claim. And it takes 1 hour for it to charge from 0 to 100%. And it has a huge 1.2 kilowatt hour capacity. That is enough for hours and hours of power for a lot of things. So out of the box, so let's see what's this here. Perfect. So this is basically to charge this while you're driving to your camping site. You can just plug it into your car charger, or when you reach there and you're running low on juice there, you can use your car to charge this bad boy as well. And then you got the other power adapters right here. So these 2 cables right here, anything else, and some paperwork telling us about how to use these cables right here as well. And these basically cables are used to work with the solar panels, charging with the solar panels as well. You can check them on EcoFlow's website. They have some amazing solar panels. That means you can charge this using solar panels and these cables right here. So I'm going to put this aside. Then we have the second one. We'll see what's inside that. And as we open this up, some more cables. Let's take them out. So this is to charge from standard 2-pin US and UK standard pins to charge this bad boy with a female 3-pin port right here. So no paperwork required to explain this thing here. So guys, fantastic, isn't it? I mean, I absolutely adore this one. It is so amazing. Gold standard portable power station. That means you can take your power anywhere, and I am absolutely in love with the aesthetics of it. In fact, sitting in the corner of the room wouldn't look that bad either. And this will be a premium thing to carry with you. And as I mentioned, 1 hour of charge gives you 80% of this, that is, and it's a 1.2 kilowatt hour capacity. That means it's enough power to power up any of your electronic devices for many, many, many hours. It's a large inverter load. So it's it can go up to 1,800 watt tools or DIY tools or any equipment. Solar charging, car charging, and the standard plug-in charging works well with this. And it charges, as I said, 4 times and lasts about 4 times more. And with the solar panels and everything, you can charge it up with your car while you're on the go to the destination. It has 11, it can power up 11 devices together in one go, because it has 2 USB-A ports, two USB fast charging ports, and 2 USB Type-C ports. And there's a dedicated on-off switch to work these out. I think the main power button is right here. Let's see. There we go. And it has all the display right here to tell you how much juice is at and how many hours will it last and what kind of device is being, if you're charging and using it together, all the details there. And this is a switch for this one here. And all the standard plugs for your laptop, for your tablet, and for your projectors, for your screens. Everything can be used from here. Otherwise, you have all the details of the micro USB ports. So 11 devices. You got 4, 5, 6 here. 4 here, 10, and then one of the audio devices that can be powered in here as well. I shouldn't have put the finger there. And on top, it's a neat and clean finish with a sticker protection. I'm going to leave it on here for the moment. So fantastic, 11 devices powered together. Imagine next time you go on a camping trip, it's going to be just amazing. Imagine all your friends' phones, laptops, tablets, projector, and any screen that you carry, and a music system, and anything that you want to power up is taken with you. And in case you want to use it for working with you when you're going on offsite, in case you're a project worker, you can carry this and you can put it in the back of your car. And in case you want to do some emergency drilling, and imagine, I mean, in the car, you can power up electrical wheel change drills and all that stuff. So basically multiple application for this. Beautiful piece, looks beautiful, aesthetics are fantastic. I have requested EcoFlow to send me some solar panels as well, and I will do another dedicated video to charging this up with solar panel and in a camping site, but that's going to be in a few months from now when I can actually go camping. It's pretty hot right now, but probably around October, November is when the camping season is at its peak. I want to take it out to the mountains, take a projector with me, take my laptop, tablet, phones, everything, so that I can show you how this works in action as well. In the meantime, you enjoy yourself. If you have any questions regarding this or the watt hour appliances, actually, by the way, it's not just when it's there. In case there's a power outage, you can use it for a microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, coolers, and any home appliance. And it can give you enough juice for a few hours till the power comes back on as well. So, guys, this is nothing short of something that we all should have, irrespective whether you go camping or not, even for usage as a back home. And specifically if in some countries there's a lot of power outage, so if you're going back home and if you come from any city where your family back home faces that power cuts, this is a perfect gift for them as well. Guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist. I'm gonna start preparing and get more excited about camping this season than I ever was. So keep yourself safe. Peace.